corporate entities work together to ensure smooth market transactions. From logging into a trading terminal to receiving shares in your Demat account, these entities, known as financial intermediaries, operate quietly behind the scenes, adhering to SEBI regulations. These intermediaries form the backbone of the financial market ecosystem. Let's explore a few key players. Stockbrokers are critical financial intermediaries, acting as your gateway to the stock market. Registered as trading members with stock exchanges, they must comply with SEBI regulations. Through a stockbroker, you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Choosing a broker depends on various factors such as platform simplicity, support efficiency, access to reports, and the broker's financial stability. Once you open a trading and Demat account with a broker, you can transact in the market by calling your broker, using a trading terminal, or programmatically via APIs. Brokers provide services like market access, trading margins, customer support, contract notes, and back-office portals. For these services, brokers charge a fee known as brokerage. When you buy shares, your ownership is documented in a share certificate stored in a Demat account, which is managed by a depository. The process of converting physical share certificates into digital form is called dematerialization, Demat. In India, NSDL and CDSL are the two depositories offering Demat services under SEBI regulations. To open a Demat account, you must approach a depository participant, DP, who acts as an intermediary between you and the depository. For example, Zerodha is a DP for CDSL. Banks facilitate fund transfers between your bank account and trading account. These accounts are linked, allowing you to add funds from multiple bank accounts, though withdrawals are only processed to the primary bank account. This primary account is also where dividends and buyback payments are deposited. NSE Clearing Limited and ICCL NSE Clearing Limited and Indian Clearing Corporation, ICCL, are subsidiaries of NSE and BSE, respectively, ensuring the settlement of trades. They match buyers and sellers, ensure no defaults, and handle the margining process for complex instruments like futures and options. Though traders and investors don't interact with them directly, these clearing corporations are vital to market operations. Key takeaways. The market ecosystem consists of financial intermediaries that ensure smooth operations. Stockbrokers provide market access through trading accounts. Depositories hold shares electronically in Demat accounts. Clearing corporations handle trade settlement and ensure no defaults.